Dog over. Good morning, vlog.
Morning.
We're in Dublin today. We just flew in from New York. We landed at around 9. Right now it's 11:20 and we're at St. Patrick's Cathedral. We were just inside and it was so nice inside. Look at this beautiful burger. Nice and juicy. We're at the Book of Kells, the old library where the Trinity College is. We didn't know we had to get tickets ahead of time, so we got tickets for 3:30. Right now we're gonna head to a mall so Emily can do some shopping. But before we came here, we went to George's Arcade, which is like a little shopping street, and I bought some shot glasses there, as we do in every country we go to. After the arcade, we went to a burger place. The best thing about that place was the ketchup. The ketchup bottle was in like a tomato. Alright, we're on our way to the mall to do some shopping. Emily's looking for something at Vivian Westwood.
We're just hoping that it's cheaper here because when we tried to order it to the States, the shipping was like $40.
Yeah. We took a little detour. We're at the National Gallery of Ireland right now. Okay, what you get?
Strawberry and cream rib. We weren't even planning on coming here, it just smelled really good.
Yeah.
And it's pink, look.
Okay. We came back to our hotel to finally check in. Quick little tour. This is the entrance. We got the bathroom to the left. Nice shower. And then we got a nice king bed right here. Emily's makeup spot.
Where have you been? Nobody loves me quite.
Just took a nap on here, really tired. Can't really see the view, it's a little dark right now. Now we're gonna go eat dinner and then we're gonna go on a little pub crawl. So I actually hate beer, so I'm not sure how we're gonna do this. We're probably only gonna drink like 2 or 3 beers max. We'll see you guys at dinner. We're at our first pub, Harry Lemon. Wish me luck. First beer. Irish Pale Ale. Cheers. I actually kind of like this beer. I think I might be able to finish this bottle. It's pretty good. All right, Ireland's cooking. They know what they're doing with beer. We ordered some food. We're still at Harry's Lemon. I got fish and chips. We're on our way to the next pub. We're in Temple Bar right now. The most popular drinking area, also the most expensive. All right, we found our next place. Fitzsimmons Temple Bar. Guys, it's our second day in Ireland. Today we're taking a tour with Paddy Wagon Tours, and we're taking a tour to the Cliffs of Moher. It's all the way on the west coast of the Ireland. It's about a 3-hour ride. Probably nap in the bus. So we're at our first stop on the way to the Cliffs of Moher. So this castle is called Bunratty Castle. I got seafood clam chowder, some Atlantic salmon, and Emily got a Mediterranean pizza. We're at the gift shop. We're about to leave. We got 15 minutes here left at the Cliffs of Moher. The cliffs are really nice, but it's absolutely freezing outside. Like, I could barely vlog because my hands are just too cold. What's he doing? Oh, rooming? Oh yeah, the After the Cliffs of Moher, we drove back to Dublin, and me and Emily got some dinner. So in Ireland, they have this specialty called a spice bag, and you can get it at Chinese restaurants. So it's basically just a brown paper bag with a type of protein, so chicken or beef, and then with chips or fries, and they put like some spice on it. I'm not sure what the spice is, but it was really good. It's the next day now, and me and Emily, we're packing up. We're about to go get breakfast. Also, before we leave, I got this drink on our first night here. It's a mango and lime drink, and it tastes really good, and somehow there's only 2 grams of sugar in it. Holy shit!
Where are you guys from?
New York, the United States.
All right.
Sweden.
Sweden.
Okay. All right, we got an Irish coffee to start off the morning. I'm a little scared. There's whiskey in it. I don't know if I'm ready for this.
I can't even no more fucking
So
veggies.
we got Irish coffee and an Irish breakfast. This is our friend we just met.
Hi, nice to meet you. I'm from Taiwan. My name is Tina.
Yep. We finished with breakfast. It's pouring now. We're at Dublin Castle.